business of getting this is the intro to what's going to happen on this channel, which is art, music, drawing, and all that fun stuff. Here we are. So, when you want to draw, as we did in the first lesson, we start with short burst strokes, and we're going to do my name again. We will start with the K. There you got there. And we're going to come this way. And we'll go up and over, but this time we're combining letters, so we want to leave a little open so that when we want to come out, we're going to come over. I'll probably come down a little bit more. I lost the back of the pencil there, but let's see what we got. We got see, this is like graffiti when you're doing this on the wall. You just kind of manipulate it as you go. And since this is going to be an E, manipulate that. We could have just left the hole, but we want it to be about the same thickness through and through. So there you go. We got a Ken there. But we want to bubble this up a little bit. So you want to take and make your squigglies there, your pinch mark there, your lift up mark there, and you see how this gives it the E there, and then that will accentuate the N. Bring that along there. That down along there. And then we want to make a K type to make sure the K stands out. So we will take that there, and there you have it, Ken, in block bold letters.